Hi friends, good morning. Today it is Sunday, 15th May 2022 and the time is roughly around 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 p.m. Yeah. Let's talk about what we discussed last week and how market respected those numbers and all indices at a glance. And that is what we are doing every weekend. And let's go to the PPT and see how the market respected our weekly numbers. Okay, so this is our weekly observation for Nifty. The buy is not triggered. The buy is not triggered, but sell triggered. And we achieved till 15,826 and we came very near to this number also, because this number is very, very crucial going forward. Last week it came very near and stabilized, closed little higher, but it closed little ugly only, so nothing to come on. But in case if it closed below this level, this is what I mentioned, that close below 15,625, bulls will die. So let's watch whether it's going to happen this week. And many people started talking about, Dow Jones up, 500 points, bottom is done and all that crap. According to me, nothing happened. I don't know what system they use. And then, after seeing one day of 400 points of, green in Dow Jones and other stuff, they started talking about bottom is done. And now the target is 19,800. And somebody is talking about even 21,000. But we need lots and lots of confirmation for the bottom formation. But as of now, I'm not able to see anything of that sort in the market happening now, and that too on yesterday's weekly close as well as the day close. Okay, so now let's go to Bank Nifty. Yeah, this got triggered, and one day it closed above this level, and the next day stop loss got triggered, and stop loss not got triggered here. It triggered way below it, so we lost based on Bank Nifty, and we are able to capture all that fall, all that what to say, the loss, once it broke that level, and then it came and very close to this number. Like what I said in Nifty at 15,625, the same thing. The number for Bank Nifty is 32,976. Close below this level, bulls will die. And it came very near to this level, and from there it closed, but we don't know how the market is going to open tomorrow. Let's see, and we will go to the chart now. Okay, so now let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart. Okay, so now this was Nifty. This was the buy number and this was the sell number, and the sell got initiated here on 9th also, 10th also. It gave another entry to go for a sell, and this was the last target. These two are the last target. 15,856 was our target for the weekly, and any close below 15,625, bulls will die. So it is closed a little above it. Let's see how the market is going to plan out for tomorrow. But 15,625 is a very, very crucial number for Nifty. So watch out. So Nifty, we achieved all the targets from 16,337 to 15,856. It went down below also, but we will consider as 15,856, and all our targets are done. Coming to Bank Nifty, and it was a gap down opening on Monday. So, but again, it went and gave the sell here, but stop loss got triggered here. Stop loss got triggered here. After that, it came down, but stop loss got triggered here because it closed above the blue color number, which is 34,740. I went long here and I booked my shorts now long here and went short. We are able to capture a decent fall based on this number. But normally I keep this number, but we use only our for weekly positional trade. We use fortune signals on 15 minutes basis or 5 minutes basis. In 15 minutes, till now there is no buy. Till now there is no buy. I will show that to you. And it came all the way very near to this number, 32,956, which is the D number for Bank Nifty. The low was roughly around 33,009. So it missed by 50 points and closed here. Okay, so mostly our weekly numbers literally rocked. Okay, so now let's go to system. Let's go to system. Okay, so this is Nifty on 15 minutes. Okay, so it gave a sell here. Okay, so but this is not a genuine sell. This is not a genuine sell at 17,065. The next day gap down again, it went up, touched this blue color and gave an entry to sell in Nifty at 17,115.95, where the stop loss is nothing. It's nothing, and from there is no buy. Every time when it goes and touches my blue color, it will come down. Every time when it goes and touches my blue color, it will come down. So now it closed here. Ugly closing, according to me. Ugly closing, according to me, because nothing of the candle, one-day candle, is not able to close above the previous high. And let's go to Bank Nifty on 15 minutes. Again, Bank Nifty on 15 minutes, it gave a sell at 36,064. 36,064. You can take it even this low also, 35,632. And from there is no buy. Where is the question of buy here? I seriously don't understand. After seeing, the bottom, it happened here. They are talking about, double bottom, all that. But we need a lot of confirmation to talk about the double bottom and other stuff. Anyway, I think we covered this. Let's go to Dow Jones. And you can go and watch my last week forecast video and all indices at a glance. And more or less is literally rocking. Okay, so now let's go to weekly. So weekly, it has closed below this level, but I was expecting this number to be held, which is 32 to 37. But it closed at 32,196. In case if it have closed at 32 to 37, this would not have happened. This my system signal would not have happened like this. It will be same here, but it closed 15, 16 points or even 30 points lower below that level. This number. 32 to 37. That's why my system gone up. So now we need to see next week whether it is able to hold this low, because the system is broken. Okay, the red color system is broken. So now break below this low, it will be more and more problem on a weekly side on Dow Jones. Okay, so then in case if that happens, then where is the support? The support lies here. The support lies here, 28 to 84, 27 169, and pitchfork support also is there, the median line. Let's see whether the monthly how it is planning, and we have another 15 days to go. So this is what on Dow Jones. And coming to, and one more thing I want to talk about is Dow Jones is having a very important date on 16th. So watch out for 16th. I don't think it's going to make a bottom on 16th. There is another day, I think that is where it makes a bottom. Okay, so I am expecting it in case if it has to make a bottom, then the bottom date is 31st May or 13th June. 13th June. So watch out for these 3 dates in Dow Jones. These 3 dates in Dow Jones, and these yellow color are some other observation. Maybe I will take it separately on Dow Jones, because I have already covered Dow Jones specifically last week. You can go and check that video. Okay, now coming to S&P. This was the monthly number which I was talking about, 3840 and 37114. Break below this 37114. Not only can save S&P, but it came all the way down very near to my number, and then it pulled back on a weekly trend. Let's see, but unless and until it doesn't cross on a day candle, which is this one, which was our important day, which is 29th April, and there is nothing to talk about on S&P also. So possibility in case if it goes above 3268, which is the high of 29th April, then it may survive, or you can make it is 3270, 4270. So that will be a rounding figure. And the low of this is 24, 41, 24. Or this date high and low. See how magically it works. Okay, so now these two numbers has to be watched in on a monthly front. This is monthly. When my black color line is little thick, then it is monthly. 3840 and 3714. Nasdaq banged on, went up, closed a little above 1237. That is why the monthly is still it is hovering there. If you see here, it is still holding that blue color and red color line. Okay, so watch out for this. dilly-dally kind of a situation. But let's see, we have another 15 days to go. Let's see where it is going to settle down on a monthly basis. But close below this number on a monthly front, I don't know how many people are going to do so many things in the market. So now ETH USD I've already covered. It is already on a monthly resistance, weekly resistance, daily resistance, and all that resistance. So now if you go to daily, see this two number is very, very important, 1965.84 and 1846.74. Why? Because first of all, it is in Shakti's line, number one. If I remove this, then you will know. So it is holding the Shakti line, the pink color line. Plus, apart from that, the last low or the trend change date, important trend change date, it is happened on 16th July 2021. And you can go and watch my previous video on crypto on this date. Clearly, I would have given the date much earlier also. You can go and check that video. 16th July was a very, very important date, and that's why I mentioned us in blue color. And you all know blue color is very, very powerful. Okay, so from there it came down. Now it is hovering within that number, and it is not ready to give up on a daily basis this closing. See, you can draw a trend line and all that, but the date high and low is held. According to me, that is what. Close below 18,476.72, which was that low. More and more panic in ETH. Okay, so now let's go to BTC. BTC is already down below that level, 32,300. So it is not looking good. And 15th May was a very, very important day. 15th May, that is yesterday, marked the high and low of 15th May. It's a very, very small candle, but see how it is going to work as a magic. Very small candle. Watch this magic of 15th May. Okay, high and low is the key. Break below above this high, which is 30,281. You can buy. Stop loss 39,436. You can keep hourly closing below this level also, but you can try this. If it goes below this level, close below this level, you can definitely go short. Stop loss this day high. So important date for BTC. I don't find any important date for ETH. The important date for BTC is 15th May. Watch out. And if you go to monthly, monthly all it is on the top, so it exactly got resisted here and started coming down, and we have covered very detail about this in our previous videos. So now let's go to Nifty and Bank Nifty. I will definitely cover later in my weekly forecast video. Now let's go and talk about this. First of all, in case if the market stabilize from here, my first counter to watch are auto stocks, especially Hero Honda, and I'm talking this for a long time because it had a 2 trend change date. So watch out for Hero Honda, and it is exactly at the daily system number. If I close this, then you will know. It has taken an exact support yesterday, that is day before, on Thursday, and started moving up. So this is looking good, even though it is in red. Yes, of course, yes, it is in red, and it took the exact bottom at the pink color, which is my magical Shakti number line, and then it started moving up. So my first concentration this week, in case if the market stabilizes, it will be auto, and that to Hero Honda. So watch out, and I have already given the Hero Honda numbers. You can go and watch it. So this is the must to hold number on daily. Close below this again, 10,096. The next possibility is 9941 and 9659. Why? Because it is nothing but our weekly system number. Okay, so this blue and red, I've already marked. Okay, so this is Nifty Auto is in my radar, and Nifty Metals very near to the support on a weekly, So watch out for these two numbers. Break below this number, which is 51.5161. Again, it's a problem. Possibility of going down to 4401 is also possible, but as of now, it is at the support. It is at the support. So watch out. Many stocks are looking extremely good. So watch out. In case if it takes the support, then well and good. But according to me, I don't think so. Let's see the price action here around this blue and red in the next 2 days time. Let it stabilize, then we will take a call. And media, yes, I'm really interested in media. Watch out for PVR, Inox, Z, because it is not only based on this my system. I have already worked out one more system also. It is showing that bottom is done more or less, but we need a confirmation. We need a confirmation. Only that confirmation comes, then we can take a call in in media. But as of now, it is standing at the support, and the support numbers are 1937, 1866. So watch out for these two numbers in media. And coming to FMCG, it is at the weekly support again. Took the weekly support at 36024, and it went up 800 points from there. And if you go here on a weekly, no, this is actually monthly. Sorry. Monthly, yes, and this is on a daily, but you can definitely watch out for ITC, because ITC had a major trend change day before. Mark the high and low, use it on you can use for Hindustan Lever, looking good. ITC, yes, I am keenly watching on ITC, because ITC had a major date 2 days before, so use it for ITC. Okay, and coming to pharma, this was the daily number. So this was the weekly number, support and resistance. So 12,513 to 12,201, close below 201, it will go ugly. Now it is exactly trying to close above this pitchfork median line. But according to me, it has taken a support as of now. So watch out for CNX Pharma. Now take your good companies. My concentration will be on Cipla. Okay, and CNX infra, no need to talk about, exactly sitting on the support, So these two numbers are the weekly numbers. Watch out. These two numbers are weekly numbers. Okay, and CNSIT, God, it is at the monthly bottom. After a long time, I'm seeing this. So watch out, because here it exactly took the support on a monthly basis, blue and red, and from there it had a phenomenal rally. Whether it is going to take the support and close above this is the monthly candle. Please watch out. This is a monthly candle, and the number is here. And the number is here 30389 and 234. So it should not close below 2934. Otherwise, God only can save IT companies. So watch out. In case if you take the support, two companies which I'm really liking. One is Infosys. Obviously, everybody knows favorite. And another thing which I'm liking it is LTI. Maybe today's webinar, you can ask all these questions, all these stocks, so that we will cover in detail where it stands, where to buy, where to sell, what is the stop loss, and all that at 6 o'clock webinar today. Okay, so now let's go to PSC, public sector. Monthly is at here. So monthly is way below, and you can take a little bit of call in this. Watch out for BEL and all that. Good. It has come down and it has at the support, so you can try something on this. The weekly number is 37,175 and 36,154. But if you go to daily, it has given a sell, and it is not close to below this sell candle. So as of now, till it is in buy on daily, please remember this. See, whenever it gives a sell call, the next candle, or whenever the candle comes, that candle has to close below this level to authenticate this sell. Otherwise, till now it has not closed below the yesterday's low. So that'll be a very small stop loss in case if the market bottoms out from here. Take a good 2-3 companies which are at 300, 400, based on your risk appetite, and my concentration will be on BEL. So watch out for these companies. Even NTPC, I am very keen on that. So watch out. It has not given up, and this is not a sell as of now, even though the system is given. In case if in the next week any candle closes below this candle low, the sell initiation candle low, then it becomes genuine. Then you need to be very, very careful. Okay. So CNX consumption, yeah, it is looking definitely bad, and on weekly where it stays. Yeah, this is a weekly number and this is a monthly number. Better to avoid this consumption story as of now, because even if it goes on the top side, it will face resistance. Maybe we'll try to concentrate or leave this, thing this week. And coming to commodities, we're coming very, very near to the weekly support 5360 and 5219. In case if it takes the support, we can try to buy. Otherwise, avoid that also. But we need a lot of confirmation on Nifty and Bank Nifty to stabilize this week. Then we can take a call. This is a monthly on service sector numbers you can watch, and weekly is already broken yesterday. So in case if it holds this, because it has broken now, so if it holds this low of last week, possibility of U-turn, but we need confirmation. We'll wait for the confirmation. Nothing to jump saying that we are going to do bottom fishing here, and we need a lot of confirmation. And PSU banks, 2296, 2188 on a weekly front. Let's see. SBI came out with the result below expectation and all that, and because of that, Bank Nifty collapsed yesterday. Let's see how it works. My concentration will be on Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda. Watch out. We will discuss Bank of Baroda in the webinar today. So 2296, 2188, which is our weekly support numbers on CNX PSU Bank. And energy, weekly number 24,576 and 23,967. Watch out for this weekly. And I don't want to do too much, Ichimoku, pitchfork and all that. Simple fortune signals, 2-line will take care of everything. And that is what we are planning, and we are focusing, and we are trading based on this and all the time frames in intraday, positional, weekly and all that. This works like a magic. So thanks for watching this video. I will definitely cover weekly forecast video of Nifty and Bank Nifty. And you can definitely ask, because somebody asked me in YouTube for asking for CDSL and Sharda Energy, because he was holding some position. I will definitely cover that stocks today in the weekly webinar. And if you have any stocks in your mind based on fundamentals, if that is good for you, you can definitely ask me, because I'm zero in fundamentals. So based on my system, I will try to do what can I do for you to buy or sell, exit and all that. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any decision. Thanks a lot. Bye.